Hello everyone, my name is Mrs. Shatabdi Banerjee, Professor of Swami Vivekananda Institute of Modern Science, Kolkata. Today I will be dealing with the topic of monopoly. So what is this monopoly? We are dividing the term monopoly into two words. One is mono and another is poly. So this mono stands for single and poly stands for many. So this is the step 1. Step 2 is when there is a single seller and there are many buyers. So from this, whenever the terms sellers and buyers come into contact with each other, then at this point of time we can say that it is a form of market. Yes, monopoly is a form of market. You know what is market? Market is a place, or not only a place. In economics, market is a way in which there is transactions of goods and services for which they get the money in return. Now in this way, in economics there are various forms of market. One, we have perfect competition, then we have monopolistic, we have oligopoly, duopoly, monopoly. In the same way, monopoly is also a form of market, wherein we can say in earlier forms of market or in many other forms of market, there are many sellers. For example, some are selling soap like Liril, Margot, Lux, and there are many buyers who may buy all these products. Okay, but in monopoly, there are many buyers, but there is only one single seller. As from the term, we can understand mono means single and poly means many. Single seller with many buyers. So you can give an example of monopoly is the railways, then electricity, which we call it electricity. Then we have Coal India. These are the monopoly firms who has got the government licensing to produce these products, and government gives them the licenses to produce these products, and there are very less competitors, or we can say there are no competitors in the market, क्योंकि अभी तक रेलवेज का कोई कॉम्पिटिटर नहीं आया, इलेक्ट्रिसिटी बोर्ड ऑफ इंडिया का भी कोई कॉम्पिटिटर नहीं आया, कोल इंडिया का भी कोई कॉम्पिटिटर नहीं आया है. So all these things, they target a monopoly section. That's it. Thank you.